Hello, Shalom and welcome to How to Pronounce and Say in Hebrew. And word of today is internet, milat hayom. And how do we say internet in Hebrew? So first, there is a loan word, internet. You can say internet in Hebrew also, but Hebrew pronunciation, right? Internet. And there is also a 100% Hebrew word, מרשתת, מרשתת. You see here the word net inside the word internet, so it is also in Hebrew. Resh, Shin, Taf. Reshet is net in Hebrew, reshet. And the word internet, מרשתת, 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 מרשתת. So internet, right? Hebrew pronunciation. Internet or מרשתת. You will find links to selected lessons in the description box below. Hebrew alphabet, Niqqud, derived stems, pronouns, and more. And until next time, להתראות בקרוב. See you soon.